A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbana zidna ilma. Rabbana zidna ilma. Oh, our Allah, increase all of us in knowledge, inshallah. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the class and welcome to the class where we are going to have a quiz inshallah on the comprehension.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Has everyone been able to go through this passage which I sent? Who hasn't been able to go through it? Adnan, have you gone through this passage? Adnan?
Yes, I went through it. You're on mute, Dad.
So you understood the passage completely? You know the whole passage?
Almost.
Almost. What did you not understand, Adnan?
I understood.
You understood everything. Okay. Let me read the passage once quickly. I'll teach two small concepts, inshallah, and then we jump to the quiz. Okay. Whoever hasn't been able to join, you can wait a bit. Yes, Anilanti?
Saqib, what do you mean by uhibbu?
Uhibbu means I love.
I love, is it?
Yes. So, Ana uhibbu abi wa ummi means I love my father and my mother. Wa uhibbu akhi wa ukhti, and I love my brother and my sister. Uhibbu means I love.
Okay, Jazakallah khair. I didn't understand that word.
No problem. Wayakum. This is part of the vocabulary which I sent Anilanti.
Okay.
All of the new words are in this
Yes,
vocabulary.
yes.
So uhibbu is I love.
Okay, Jazakallah khair. I didn't see that last word.
Wayakum. Let me read out the passage and I'll ask a couple of questions. It's important for you to understand the passage. The questions are tricky. The answers are going to be close. Okay. If you do not understand the passage, most likely you will get the answers wrong. So even if it is a silly question, even if it is a basic word, ask me questions so that you at least understand the passage completely and thoroughly, inshallah. Let me read it. Let me put it. Yes, Mama.
Nafizatun is a window or windows?
Nafitatun is a window or a set of windows. Nawafitu is windows.
Okay. Here it is Nafizatun.
Nafitatun is window.
Okay. Jazakallah khair, ma.
Yeah, so it's either a window or a set of windows, but it's just one set is what you can take.
Okay.
Nice. Let me read the passage. Hata baiti amamal masjidi. Baiti jamilun fihi hadiqatun saghiratun. Hatihi ghurfati fiha nafidatun kabiratun wa mirwahatun jamilatun. What is mirwahatun?
Fan.
Fan. Okay, so this is ceiling fan. Mirwahatun jamilatun, and a beautiful fan. Hata sariri wa hata kursiyi wa hata maktabi. Saati wa qalami wa kitabi ala al-maktabi. Who can translate this sentence? Saati wa qalami wa kitabi ala al-maktabi.
My table, my watch, my pen, my book.
Yes, it is my
On the table.
Yes, is on the table. So what all is on the table? What was on the table? We have kitabi, my kitab. We have qalami, my pen, and saati, my watch. And pay attention here. It is qalami, kitabi, saati. The ya is referring to me. So the person who is saying this is my watch, my qalam, my kitab, and it is on the table. وحقيبتي تحت المكتب. حقيبتي تحت المكتب. This is حقيبة. نافذة غرفتي مفتوحة. What is مفتوحة?
Open.
Very good, open. Now question to Zahan.
Yes, Professor.
What is صغيرة?
Sagiratun would be small.
Very good, correct answer. They have صغيرة. What is كبيرة?
Kabiratun is big.
Is big, very good. نافذة is open. These are adjectives. Okay. What is جميلة?
Jamilatun, fan.
No, that is mirwahatun. What does jamilatun mean? Adnan, what is jamilatun?
Is it beautiful?
Yes, it is beautiful. Why it is jamilatun and not jamilun?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, correct Adnan, very good. Because mirwahatun is feminine, so it is going to be jamilatun. If it was masculine, if it was something masculine, it will be jamilun. Okay, let me continue. هذه غرفة أختي. What's the meaning of this sentence? هذه غرفة أختي. Muniba? Sorry. This is هذه غرفة أخي. What's the meaning of هذه غرفة أخي? Muniba?
Professor, can I tell?
No, 1 minute. Let us wait for Muniba. Are you on mute, Muniba?
No.
Yes, Muniba. هذه غرفة أختي. What does this mean?
Pen.
Come again.
Good.
What is هذه? What is هذا? هذا بيتي. What's هذا? Muniba? Can you hear me, Muniba?
Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Sakhab uncle, hazihi means this is.
This is very good. So هذه غرفة أخي. What does this sentence mean, Muniba? What is غرفة?
This is my brother's room.
Very good. How many offs do you have in the sentence? Muniba, how many offs do you have in the sentence?
Hazihi غرفة أخي.
Yes. So how many offs are there?
None.
Okay. Tell me the meaning of. So this is what we've seen. We've seen هذه غرفة أخي. What if I take out the ya at the end? Okay. What would the meaning of this sentence be? What if I say he, and this is important for the quiz. Okay. So there's a pattern which will be tested. Then that's why I'm going into this in detail. هذه غرفة and I just say أخي. Okay. هذه غرفة أخي. What will this mean, Muniba?
This is brother's room.
Very good. So this is هذه is this. So this is room. This is غرفة. This is a room, okay, of أخي. So غرفة أخي. It should actually be غرفة أخٍ. Okay, because there's no reason for it to be akhi. So this is ghurfatu akhin. This is room of a brother. Okay. Now, when I say hadihi ghurfatu akhi, it's my brother or brother of mine. Okay? So if you take the pure sense that you're going to have of for all possessions, you're going to say this is room of a brother of mine. The second of is of the akhi. So brother of mine or my brother is akhi. Very good, Muniba. Correct translation. Now let me move on. Watilka ghurfatu ukhti. Tilka means that. Okay. So hadihi is something which is close. So he's saying that look, this room is my brother's room. Tilka means that room. So it's something far. Okay. So that's tilka. We'll see it. We'll do more practice with tilka later, inshallah. So he says, then that is my sister's room. Ukht is sister. Ghurfatu akhi kabiratun. Again, we have another adjective, and let me make it orange. Ghurfatu akhi kabiratun wa ghurfatu ukhti saghiratun. Saghiratun is same, it is small.
Sahabe, what's tilka?
Tilka means that. So hadihi means this. Okay, hada also means this. So he says this is my house. The house is close to the masjid. Tilka means that. What's the difference between this and that, Adnan? So this is something close to you, Adnan. So you will say, Adnan, this phone, okay, this table, this sofa. So it's very close to you. But when you say that sofa, it is something which is far. So this and hatihi is something near. Tilka is same, no difference, but tilka is for something which is far. So this and that, that's what it means. Let me continue. This is something we'll read later, okay? So don't worry too much about tilka. We'll be only testing the concepts that we've learned so far, inshallah. Okay, so tilka is just I'm giving you a translation, but we'll see it later in more detail. Ghurfatu akhi amama ghurfati wa ghurfatu ukhti amama al-matbakhi. What does this mean? Wa ghurfatu ukhti amama al-matbakhi. Sadia, what's the translation of this sentence? Wa ghurfatu ukhti amama al-matbakhi. Sadia, I think you're on mute. Adnan, is Sadia with you? You need to unmute and speak.
Hello, yes. Sahabe, can you hear us?
Yes. Ghurfatu ukhti amam al-matbakhi. What does this mean?
Ghurfatu ukhti is Ghurfatu is room. Ukhti is brother.
Ukhti is
Ukhti
sister.
is sister. Yeah, ukhti is sister and
Ukhti is in fact my sister because you have the ya. So ukht is sister or ukhtun is sister. Ukhti is my sister. Continue.
not sure.
Ghurfatu ukhti. Ghurfatu is room of my sister, and room of my sister. What is about the room? What is he saying about the room? What is amam al?
Sister is front of my room of my brother.
No. You're correct till amama.
Is
What
in
is
front of
al-matbakhi?
the kitchen.
Is in front of the kitchen. Very good. Did you see this passage today morning, Sadia?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So, ghurfatu ukhti and room of my sister or room of the sister of mine. So that's the ya. Amam al-matbakhi. What is amam al-matbakhi, Sadia? Okay, read from here, Satya. What is amama?
In front of.
In front of. And amama is like fi. Okay, what is it like? It is like fi. And it is like ala. What happens when you have fi or
Allah
ala?
is on.
Yes. The rule of grammar, it's going to be like fi and ala. What do you do? What rule did we learn for fi and ala? that the word after it will have kasra.
Yeah.
Word after it will have kasra or double kasra. Okay, that's the rule of fi, ala. We have seen tahta. Okay, amama is similar.
La.
Ila. So all of these are, they call it harf of jar, which means the word after it will be in the jar form, will be in the kasra form. So that's why you have amam al matbakhi. Otherwise it should be al matbakhu. But because you have amama means in front of, amam al matbakhi means in front of the kitchen. Okay, and amama causes the matbakh to have a kasra. So amam al matbakhi. Let me continue. Li akhun wahidun. Li means I have.
साखिब उसके ऊपर की लाइन को एक बार वापस रिपीट करो साखिब.
Yes, Anil.
Ghurfatu
I'll just
akhi.
correct. Ghurfatu akhti amama ghurfati. What does this mean, Anil? Till here.
Brother's room is in front of
Very good. What is ghurfati?
room.
No. Ghurfa is a room. What is ghurfati?
My room.
My room. So he says my brother's room. So it's ghurfatu akhi. My brother's room is in front of my room. So his room and his brother's room are facing each other.
Okay.
Okay, but what is he saying about his sister's room? He says ghurfatu ukhti amal matbakhi. What does this mean?
My sister's room is in front of kitchen.
Correct. So he says, look, my brother's room is in front of my room, so it's just here. But my sister's room is there in front of the kitchen. So that's what he says.
Okay.
So his brother's room is in front of his own room. His sister's room is in front of the kitchen.
Okay.
Okay. So li akhun, and let me explain li. Question now to Zahan. Zahan, how do you say my room?
Ghurfati.
Ghurfati, very good. My room would be ghurfati. Okay. Now, how would you say, Zahan, a room of Hamid? How would you say room of Hamid?
Ghurfatu Hamidin.
Very good. Ghurfatu Hamidin would be room of Hamid or Hamid's room. Is it the same, Zahan, as ghurfatuhu? Would this be the same meaning?
No, it won't be the same meaning.
Right? What is ghurfatuhu? What is ghurfatuhu, Zahan? What is ghurfatuhu, Sadia? Come on, guys. Zahan, Sadia. We need to go
It
to the
would be
quiz.
his room.
Very good. So room of his. Okay. So that's ghurfatuhu. So room of his or his room. So it's similar meaning. Okay. So I'm saying instead of room of Hamid, I'm saying room of his. Instead of Hamid's room, I'm saying his room. So it's the same thing in the end. Okay. So ghurfatu Hamidin, ghurfatuhu is the same. Now, I can also say, this is another way of saying, and this is, say, the new lesson for today, which is very easy, very simple. I can say al ghurfatu Li Hamidin. Same meaning. Okay. Al-ghurfatu li Hamidin. Li is very similar. It's like amama, it is like fi, ala, tahta. So the lam will also make the li Hamidin. Okay, so it's also a similar rule. It makes the word after it into a kasra form. Li will attach to the word. Okay, so we have amama al matbakhi, but li will attach to the word. So let me-
Rakib Chacha,
yes.
is Lee not mine? Or I have?
That is li. So that is lam, and so here, that's what I'm coming to. So li is for me or to me, and that's what I'm coming to, Zahan. So you are very fast. Attaches to the word, causes single or double kasra. That's what li does. Okay, and the meaning of it is for or to. Okay, so li would mean for me. Li Hamidin means belongs to Hamid or for Hamid. So the room is for Hamid or belongs to Hamid. Okay, so li, and notice the e. So ghurfati li is the same ya. Li, the ya refers to me. Li means to me or for me or belongs to me. Li, for most cases, remember for. Okay, so for is where if you try to remember for, in most cases the for will work. In some cases the for will not make perfect sense. It makes more better sense to say belongs to me. Okay, now one more question, this time to Sadia. What is li Rasulullahi, Sadia? Li Rasulu Allahi. Li Rasulu Allahi. Li Rasuli Allahi, in fact.
Rasuli Allahi will be
What is li Rasuli?
Li. Can Li be anything to me, for me, or belongs to me?
Correct. For most cases, use for. So start with for and then change if it doesn't make sense.
For Rasulullahi.
What is Rasulullahi?
A prophet's name, prophet or a person's name.
No, translate it literally. What is Rasuli or Rasulu Allahi? What does it mean? Like literally. Rasulu and Allahi. Translate it word by word.
Rasul will be prophet and
Mhm.
Lillahi will be prophet of Allah.
Very
That's
good.
wrong.
For prophet of Allah is what it means. Okay. Li Rasuli Allahi, for prophet of Allah. So li causes this to be kasra, and this is for prophet. Rasuli Allahi. So there's a off because Rasuli Allahi follows the pattern of the off. Okay. So now let me make it quick. This is all of the new lessons. Okay. So it's very easy. So Ghurfatu Hamidin. I can also say Al Ghurfatu Li Hamidin. It's the same meaning. Okay. So Li means for. That's the new lesson for today. Li Akhun Wahidun. I have one brother. Akhun Wahidun is brother. Wahidun. Wahidun matches Akhun in all aspects. Okay. So Akhun Wahidun is only one brother. Ismuhu Usama. Question to Muniba. What does this mean, Muniba? Ismuhu Usama.
So, uncle, his name is.
Very good. His name is Usama. So his brother's name is Usama. Usama's room is in front of his room. Okay, because earlier he's saying my brother's room is in front of my room. So now he's talking more about his brother. And then he talks about his sister. Wali ukhtun wahidatun. And notice, ukhtun wahidatun. Ukht is feminine, so it will be wahidatun. Akh is brother, so it's wahidun. Okay, so wahidun, wahidatun. Ismuha Su'adu. What's the sister's name? The sister's name is Suadu or Suad. Abi wa ummi fi tilkal ghurfatil kabirati. Abi wa ummi, my father and my brother, my father and my mother. Fi tilka, what is tilka, Adnan? That, very good. So my father and my mother are in that al-ghurfati, are in that room, al-kabirati, that big room. So my father and my mother are in that big room. Al-ghurfati, al-kabirati. Why is it al-ghurfati, al-kabirati? Why is it not al-ghurfatu?
Because it is tilka.
No, tilka is like hada. I will say hada.
Feminine is that. Of that is tilka. Otherwise, it would be zalika.
Correct. So I would say dalika. Dalika is masculine. Tilka is feminine. Okay, so that's dalika and tilka. So hada, hadihi, dalika, tilka. Dalika, tilka both used for something which is fast. So now he's saying that room, that big room, is my mother and father's room. But why is it al-ghurfati? It's not because of tilka. It's because of something else. Why do we have al-ghurfati?
Ghurfati, is it? Because of
Yes.
ghurfati.
Why do we have al-ghurfati and al-kabirati? What's causing the kasra? There's something causing the kasra.
Fi.
Fi, very good. So fi tilkal ghurfatil kabirati, in that big room. Okay, so fi tilka. Tilka just says that. Tilka doesn't change anything. So fi al-ghurfati, in that room. Al-kabirati makes it that big room. Al-kabirati matches the al-ghurfati in all aspects. So it has al. It's feminine. This is also feminine. This is singular. This is singular. So it's matching in every aspect. Ana uhibbu abi wa ummi, and I love my father and my mother. Wa uhibbu akhi wa ukhti, and I love my brother and my sister. Okay. Any questions on this passage before we move to the quiz? Okay, no questions. Then I'll turn to my questions. Here's Kahoot. I see Nahid auntie is in, Rahil auntie is in, Sadia, Adnan are in, Muniba is in, Zahan is in. Anil auntie, I do not see you in the quiz. Okay, Anil auntie is also in the quiz. Are we missing someone? I think we have everyone. Fuzail, Afifa, we are missing you guys.
We
Ab
don't
join-
have Rahmat.
Rahmat.
We don't have.
They are not in the class today. So Rahmat, Muniba, Sidra, Hania, Ilaf, all of them are not here. However, we have Fuzail, Afifa. Fuzail, Afifa, आप ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हो Kahoot?
Yes.
ठीक है 10 सेकंड जल्दी से ज्वाइन करना Kahoot. तो आपको Zoom Kahoot दोनों देखना है, ठीक है? तो Zoom पे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, Kahoot पे आपको आंसर्स देना है. ठीक है, आप ज्वाइन करना. मुनीबा, फुजेल, आपको kahoot.it पे जाना है, ठीक है? व्हाट्सएप पे लिंक है. गेम पिन है 5018763, ठीक है? 7 डिजिट है, 5018763. वो भी व्हाट्सएप पे है. तो व्हाट्सएप के इंस्ट्रक्शंस यूज करके जल्दी से Kahoot
I've
ज्वाइन.
already joined.
You are there, no, Muniba? Yeah, you are
Yeah.
there. Okay, Fuzail is also in. Okay, we have everyone. So we have 8 people. Let us begin. Aina baituhu. Aina baituhu is the question. Aina baituhu. Answers blue. Baiti amam al masjidi. Red. Baiti amam al masjidu. Green. Baituhu amam al masjidu. Orange. Baituhu amam al masjidi. What I suggest you do is on your phone, you also open the PDF, okay, which has this passage, and try to switch between them. So where you want to refer, either see your notes or see the passage. See this, and you have enough time for the first question. Try to see this. You have the PDF of this on your WhatsApp. So try to open this and see the answers. I'll repeat the answers again. Aina baituhu. Lu baiti amamal masjidi. Lu, I'll repeat. Baiti amamal masjidi. Right? Baiti amamal masjidu. Right? Baiti amamal masjidu. Green. Baituhu amamal masjidu. Green again. Baituhu amamal masjidu. Orange. Baituhu amamal masjidi. Orange. Baituhu amamal masjidi. You have time. No, don't be in a hurry. We are waiting for 2 more answers, but take your time. You have 40 seconds more. Patiently think and mark the answer. Lu baiti amamal masjidi. Red baiti amamal masjidu. Green baituhu amamal masjidu. Orange baituhu amamal masjidi. You're waiting for one more answer. You have time. 20 seconds left. Only one correct answer, and we will see next who's gotten the correct answer. What's wrong with blue? फुजेल अफीफा, अफीफा ब्लू में गलत क्या है? बैती अमामल मस्जिदी गलत है. करेक्ट आंसर है इसका बैतुहु अमामल मस्जिदु मस्जिदी. ठीक है, तो बैतुहु सही है, बैती गलत है. आप समझाओगे क्यों? अफीफा?
Yes.
हाँ, तो क्या डिफरेंस है? बैती क्या है मीनिंग?
Baity's house.
हाउस और कंप्लीट कुछ मिस कर रहे हो तो. बैतुन है हाउस, बैती क्या है?
Who amamal masjidu.
No, Zahan, you wait. Let Afifa answer. Yes, Afifa? Baitun is house. A house, in fact. एक घर है बैतुन. बैती क्या है?
Baity house.
नहीं, वो हाउस इज बैतुन. बैती क्या है? बैती क्या है? गुरफती क्या है अफीफा? इसमें क्या है? इसमें अफीफा बैती, बैती क्या होगा? लाउडली बोलना, आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा अफीफा, वरना मुझे किसी और को चांस देना पड़ेगा. बैती क्या है मीनिंग? Zahan, what is baiti?
Saqib uncle, please.
My house.
No, next turn is yours, Muniba.
My
Bai-
house.
Is my house. Very good. What is baituhu?
His house. Are you able to hear me, Sakib Chacha?
Yes, I can hear you, Zahan.
By his house.
Okay, now let's try to answer this question in English. What is the meaning of Muniba? Now you answer. Zahan, please go on mute. Muniba, what is the meaning of Aina baituhu? Muniba?
Just 1 minute.
Quickly, Muniba. Otherwise, I'll have to switch turns again.
Where is his home?
Very good. Where is his house? Okay, and why is it his? Because it is baituhu. So it is his house. Baituhu is his house. Where is his house? So what will the answer be, Muniba, in English? Where is his house? How would you answer?
Where is his house?
What? Where is his house, Muniba? Where is his house here?
Near the masjid.
In front of the masjid. Okay, so that's what he says. So he says, Hata baiti, baiti amam al masjidi. So my house is in front of the masjid. Okay, so that's what he says. So where is his house, Muniba? What's the answer in English? Quickly, Muniba. Sadia, where is his house?
In front of masjid.
Yes, complete sentence, Anil aunty.
His
How do you say
house
it in-
is his house is in front of the masjid.
Very good. His house is in front of the masjid. Now, how do you say this in Arabic? Sadia?
Baituhu
Baituhu Amam al Masjid.
Very good. So, Baituhu Amam al Masjidi. Baituhu is his house, is in front of the masjid. So now, when I'm asking you a question, I will ask you, where is his house? So you need to say his house is in front of the masjid. You cannot say my house. Okay, so I'm not asking about your house. I'm asking about his house. So correct answer is Baituhu. So correct answer is orange. Let's see who got it correct. Anil aunty got it correct. Everyone else wrong, but it's okay. We have 12 more questions. Let's see how it goes. Question 2. Ma hiya fi baitihi. Ma hiya fi baitihi. Ma hiya means what is this? Hiya is this feminine. Ma hiya fi baitihi. Blue. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratin. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratin, that is blue. Red. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratun. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratun, that's red. Green. Fi baitihi hadiqatun saghiratun. Fi baitihi hadiqatun saghiratun, that's green. Orange. Fi baituhu hadiqatin saghiratun. Orange. Fi baituhu hadiqatin saghiratun. Ma hiya fi baitihi. What is this in his house? What is he saying about something in his house? Blue. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratin. Red. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratun. Orange. Green. Fi baitihi hadiqatun saghiratun. Time's running out, guys. 20 seconds left. Orange. Fi baituhu hadiqatin saghiratun. Let me make the screen a little bigger. One person yet to mark the answer. You have less time. 10 seconds left. Fi baitihi hadiqatun saghiratun. That's the correct answer. Now, 3 people marked red. Fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratun. Now, Zahan, you will tell me why this is wrong. What's the meaning of fi baitihi hadiqatin saghiratun? What's the meaning of this? Zahan, you need to be quick, okay? We don't have time. We are losing time. Zahan, be quick. Unmute.
There is a small garden in my house.
No. Translated word by word, Zahan.
In
Yes.
my house.
No, it's not my house. What is baitihi?
Baitihi is my house.
No, that would be fi baiti. What is fi baitihi?
His house.
His house. Remember, Zahan. Baituhu. So the ha is his. Okay, ha is not mine. Ha is his. So fi baiti, because it is baiti, the ha, it will not be who, it will be he. Fi baiti who would be very difficult to pronounce. Okay, so it is fi baiti he. So it is in his house. What is hadiqatin?
There is.
Sorry, what is hadiqatin?
There.
No. What is hadiqatin, Zahan? I asked you if you have any questions. Fi
Garden.
hadiqatun is garden. That's in the vocabulary. Fihi hadiqatun saghiratun. Okay, so hadiqatun is garden. It's not there, Zahan, it is garden. In his house, continue, Zahan. What is hadiqatin?
Not unnecessary.
Sorry? Come again, Satya. What is baitihi hadiqatin? Baitihi hadiqatin would be, there's an off, okay? This is the pattern of off. Fi baitihi hadiqatin would be of a garden. Saghiratun is small. but saghiratun needs to come with something. So hadiqatin saghiratin would be a small garden, but saghiratun here means small, and the small is actually mismatched. There are two errors in this sentence. One is it's not house of a garden. Okay, so baitihi hadiqatin is following the pattern of an of, which is wrong. Saghiratun is misplaced. Okay, Saghiratun standing by itself. Saghiratin would be in his house of a small garden, which grammatically is correct, but literally doesn't make any sense. Correct answer is fi baitihi. Okay, why is it not copied? Let me try it again. It's white, perhaps. Okay, let me try it again. It's white, that's why we cannot see it there. Very nice. Fi baitihi would be in his house a small garden. So in his house is a small garden. Fi baitihi hadiqatun saghiratun. That would translate to in his house is a small garden. So remember, if there is no need to make it hadiqatin, we will not make it hadiqatin. Okay. Fi baitihi, the fi ends here. In his house. Hadiqatin has to be the object or the predicate of the sentence. So it has to be hadiqatun saghiratun. Okay, correct answer is green. Let's see who's gotten it correct. Anil aunty has gotten it correct. Anil aunty is working hard now. Sadia correct. Nahid aunty correct. Rahil aunty has made mistakes in both questions. Let's see if Rahil aunty and Sadia can keep up. Anil aunty has been slow, but she's gotten both correct. So that's why Anil aunty is on top. Very nice. Let's move on. Question 3 is a tricky question. It's a more tough question. The first two questions have already been tough. Third question is more tricky. It's another new concept. Okay, so it's the Lie concept. This thing is in the way, so let me move this out. We have enough time, guys, so don't worry. Let me move this thing out. Very nice. Okay. Liman al-ghurfatu allati amamal matbakhi. Okay. Liman means who, whose. Okay. So to who or to whom, al-ghurfatu, to whom does it belong, the room? Okay. So whose room is it? Allati is which. So whose room is it? Allati amamal matbakhi. So whose room is it? Amamal matbakhi. That's the question. Whose room is it? Amamal matbakhi. Blue. Li ukhtuhu. Li is possession. Okay, so li is to or for. Li ukhtuhu. Red. Li ukhtihi. Green. Li akhihi. Orange. Li ukhti. Double points, guys. Take your time. You have 55 more seconds. Liman. Whose or to who. Al-ghurfatu, the room. Allati, which. Amamal matbakhi, which is in front of matbakhi. Allati amamal matbakhi. Blue. Li ukhtuhu. Li ukhtuhu is blue. Red. Li ukhtihi, that's red. Li akhihi, green. Orange. Li ukhti, that's orange. Okay. Time is getting over. 25 seconds left. Whose room is in front of the kitchen? How do you say this is that person's room? Blue. Li ukhtuhu. Red. Li ukhtihi. Green. Li akhihi. Orange. Li ukhti. 5 seconds to go, guys. You need to mark the answer quickly. Time's running out. One person yet to mark the answer. Time's running out. You need to be quick. Very good. 4 people correct, 3 people wrong. Li ukhtihi. That's the correct answer. What's li ukhtihi? Muniba, what is li ukhtihi? Muniba? Sadia, what is li ukhtihi? Zahan, what is li ukhtihi?
For his sister.
For his sister, or to his sister, or belongs to his sister. Okay. Since we want to use li as we will say for his sister or to his sister. Okay, so the room belongs to his sister, so it is li ukhtihi. That's the only correct answer. All of the other answers are wrong. Let me explain the other answers. You have another question related to this. Okay, so don't think that okay, this answer it's wrong, let's move on. No, there's another question very similar, and it's going to be about someone else's room. So pay attention. Li ukhtuhu is wrong because it has to be li ukhti. But it is li, it has to be ukhtihi. So that's the mistake with blue. Coming to green, li akhihi. What is li akhihi? Anyone who can answer?
Brother.
Correct. Li akhihi is to his brother. Li akhihi is difficult to pronounce, so that's why you have another ya. Li akhihi is to his brother. Li ukhti is possibly the worst answer. So I'm asking, to whom does this belong? So you have to say this is his sister's room. Okay, because the passage is said by someone, and you are going to say it is his sister. Okay, so li ukhti is to my sister. You're not going to say to my sister. That's the mistake with orange. So I'm not asking about you. I'm asking about his sister. So it has to be li ukhtihi.
The question once again.
Let me mute everyone. Let me go next.
The meaning of the
Anil aunty, wrong answer.
Saqib?
Ji Nahid aunty.
What's the meaning of the question, Saqib?
I explained the meaning, no, Nahid aunty. So the question is, the question Nahid aunty, and that's why I was giving bonus points because this was a tricky question.
Yeah,
So
sorry, Saqib.
li man, what is li man, Nahid aunty?
To whom?
Very good.
To who?
To who or whom. Then we have al-ghurfatu. Let me put a demarcation here.
Allati means what here?
Which.
Which?
So allati doesn't make any significant difference. Okay, so ghurfatu amam al-matbakhi, so room in front of the kitchen, to whom does it belong? So allati is because it's a complex sentence. Let me explain that. Al-ghurfatu Al-ghurfatu is the room. Then we have allati. Leave out allati for now.
Okay.
Okay. We have amama.
Yeah. In front of. Yeah, that I understood, Saqib. Sorry.
Amama al-matbakhi. Now,
Yeah.
to whom is the room front of the kitchen will not make sense. So you need to add another word which will make sense. Amama al matbakhi would be in front
Front of the kitchen.
of the kitchen. Now, if I just say this sentence, liman al-ghurfatu amam al-matbakhi, it will mean it is not a very grammatically correct sentence, although it conveys the intent. So, to whom is the room in front of the kitchen? So, it conveys the meaning. So, you can leave out allati. The sentence will make complete sentence, but this is a complex sentence. So, to whom is the room, or whose room is it? In front of the kitchen, you have a hidden which.
Okay.
And that is allati. Allati is feminine. Allati is which. It could also mean the one who in certain other cases. This is something also which we'll see later. The one who or who is the meaning of allati. Allati is feminine.
Jazakallah, okay, Saqib, sorry.
And in the Quran, you'll also see Allahdi. Where you see Allahdi, and I'll convey this so that you catch this in the Quran the next time you're reciting it.
Jazakallah.
Huwallah hulladi. La ilaha illahul hayyul qayyum. It is Allah, the one who. So that is Alladhi Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is masculine. Okay, so this is the best way to teach a concept. So allati is the same thing as above. Okay, so it's the same thing as above, but this is masculine. Who Allah, who allati. So this is Allah, who is the one. No, Nahil. This was the intent. So I wanted to have allati so that someone will ask, so that I can make it easy. So now everyone knows what is allati and allati, which is a lesson which is soon coming up, inshallah. So that was the intent of having this tough, complex sentence. So thank you for asking. So Sadia, Nahid aunty, Rahil aunty is up now. She made use of the bonus questions. Anil aunty again wrong. Let's move on. Zahan is catching up. Adnan is down. Sadia is number 1. Very good, Sadia. Question 4. Aina al-haqibatu. Aina al-haqibatu. Less time for this question. You need to be quick. Blue. Hiya alal maktabu. Hiya alal maktabu is blue. Red. Huwa alal maktabi. Huwa alal maktabi is red. Green. Hiya tahtal maktabi. Hiya tahtal maktabi, green. Orange is huwa tahtal maktabu. Huwa tahtal maktabu, orange. Ainal haqibatu. Okay, people are quick. 6 answers have already come. 50 seconds left. Blue, hiya alal maktabu. Red, huwa alal maktabi. Green, hiya tahtal maktabi. Orange, huwa tahtal maktabu. Hiya tahtal maktabi is the correct answer. Correct answer is green. It's simple, straightforward. Okay, you can catch hiya tahtal maktabi. Haqibatu is feminine, so it's going to be hiya. Let's move on. We are short on time. Sadia is again doing well. Sadia number 1, Nahid aunty 2, Rahil aunty 3, Zahan 4. Very good, Zahan. Anil aunty again wrong answer. Zahan is up. Question 5. Bonus question, double points. It's a tough question. Liman ghurfatun kabiratun. Liman ghurfatun kabiratun. Liman means to whom does it belong or for whom. Liman ghurfatun or ghurafun kabiratun. Okay, so ghuraf is rooms. Liman ghurafun kabiratun. Blue, akhuhu wa abuhu wa ummuhu. Okay, bonus question, double points, pay attention. Blue, akhuhu wa abuhu wa ummuhu. Red, akhuhu wa abuhu wa ukhtuhu. Again, red is akhuhu wa abuhu wa ukhtuhu. Green, akhi faqat. Faqat is only. Akhi faqat is akhi only. Orange, akhi wa abi wa ummi. Akhi wa abi wa ummi, orange. Liman ghurafun kabiratun. Liman is to whom does it belong? Ghurafun is rooms. Kabiratun is big. So who have big rooms? Whose ghuraf are big? Blue, akhuhu wa abuhu wa ummuhu. Red, akhuhu wa abuhu wa ukhtuhu. Green, akhi faqat. Orange, akhi wa abi wa ummi. 20 seconds left, guys. You have time. Think and mark the correct answer. If anyone wants me to repeat, you can tell. I'll let you see the passage, see the answers and mark. Correct answer, akhuhu wa abuhu wa ummuhu. His brother, his father and his mother. They are the ones who have big rooms. Okay. In the passage, I will show you quickly because we are running out of time. He says, Ghurfatu akhi kabiratun. So his brother's room is big for sure. Later in the dialogue, he also says, Abi wa ummi fi tilkal ghurfatil kabirati. He says, my father and my mother are in that big room. So their room is also big. Okay. So the people with big room are his brother, his mother and his father. His sister, which is what 4 of you have marked the answer. His sister has a small room. Wa ukhtuhu wa ghurfatu ukhti saghiratun. His sister has a small room And that's why everyone who's marked red, and this was a trick question, okay? Trick questions, you've got to spend time and you've got to see the passage. The problem with red is that it includes his sister. His sister has a small room. That's why red is not the correct answer. Let's see who's gotten it correct. Sadia is down. Sadia was in a hurry. Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie were patient. They took their time. They marked the correct answer. So they are again number 1, number 2. Let's move on.
Silly mistakes.
No problem. We have half of the quiz still left. Question 6. Kam akhan ladaihi. Kam akhan ladaihi. Ladaihi is like lahu. Okay? For him. Ladaihi is like lahu. Kam akhan ladaihi. How many brothers does he have? That's what this means. Okay? How many brothers does he have? Blue. Ukhtun wahidun. Ukhtun wahidun blue. Right? Akhun wahidun. Akhun wahidun red. Green. Ukhtun wahidatun. Ukhtun wahidatun is green. Ukhtun wahidatun is green. Orange is akhan wahidan. Akhan wahidan orange. How many brothers does he have? Kam akhan ladaihi or kam akhan lahu. Same meaning. Blue. Ukhtun wahidun. Red. Akhun wahidun. Green. Ukhtun wahidatun. Orange. Akhan wahidan. Time's running out, guys. Very little time left. 10 seconds left. You've got to be quick. Okay, whichever thing you think is the answer, 10 seconds left. You've got to mark the answer quickly. Kam akhan ladaihi. There's only one correct answer. 4 people still left. Very quickly, mark and answer. Time is running out. 2 seconds left. Very good. Akhun wahidun is correct answer. Ukhtun wahidun is wrong on multiple aspects. So ukht is sister. I'm asking about akh. Akh is brother, ukht is sister. Ukhtun wahidun is also grammatically wrong because it has to be ukhtun wahidatun. Ukht is sister. So wahidun is also wrong. Okay, correct answer. Akhun wahidun, very good. 4 correct answers. Let's see the scores. Nahid auntie wrong. Rahil auntie correct answer, and Rahil auntie is catching up. So Rahil auntie is very, very close. But Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie on top. Alhamdulillah, as always. Sadia number 3. Zahan is catching up. Fuzail Afifa, very good. Fuzail Afifa are in top 5. Question 7. Bonus question, double points, tough question. Aina ghurfatu ukhtihi. Aina ghurfatu ukhtihi. The answers are tricky. Although we've seen this in detail, answers are tricky. Pay attention. Aina ghurfatu ukhtihi. Blue. Ghurfatuhu amamal hammami. Ghurfatuhu amamal hammami. Blue. Red. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. And you have enough time. 90 more seconds. There's enough time. Pay attention. Mark the correct answer. Red. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. Green. Ghurfatuha amamal matbakhi. Ghurfatuha amamal matbakhi. Green. Orange. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. Orange. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. Aina ghurfatu ukhtihi. That's the question. There's enough time. Pay attention. Pay attention to the details. Mark the correct question. The answers are very, very close. 60 seconds left. Blue. Ghurfatuhu amamal hammami. Red. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. Green. Ghurfatuha amamal matbakhi. Orange. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. There's enough time left, guys. 45 seconds left. Look at the dialogue. Look at the answers and mark. I will make the screen bigger. Aina ghurfatu ukhtihi. Let me also zoom in. 25 seconds left. You have enough time. Pay attention to the details. Mark the correct answer. Blue. Ghurfatuhu amamal hammami. Red. Ghurfatuhu amamal
Sahaba, what's the
matbakhi.
difference between the red and yellow?
Red and orange. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. Ghurfatuhu amamal matbakhi. They are in fact both the same.
Yeah.
They are both the same. You can mark any one of them if you think this is the correct answer. Red, orange, both not the correct answer. Correct answer is green. Why it is ghurfatuha and not ghurfatuhu? Who's going to tell the answer? Why is it ghurfatuha?
Because it's feminine.
Feminine. Who is his? Okay, that's who. Ha is hers. So that's why blue, orange, both are the same. So small error. Maybe I should have made them different, but they're both wrong. Green, ghurfatuha is the correct answer. Ghurfatuha amam al-matbaqi. So Sadia, if you marked red, orange, ghurfatuhu would be his room. But I'm asking about his sister's room, so it has to be ghurfatuha. Ha is her. Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie, correct. Sadia, Zahan, wrong. Adnan, correct. Did you know the answer and you marked it correct, Adnan, or was it fluke? Because you've only gotten one correct answer. So Adnan, you thought and answered, or it was just luck?
I saw the paragraph.
Saqib Chacha.
It's in the paragraph? No, it's not in the paragraph. Ghurfatu ukhti saghiratun. Ghurfatu ukhti amam al-matbaqi. So it's ghurfatu ukhti. I've made it ghurfatuha. Did you know, Adnan, that ha is feminine? Okay, looks like Adnan has gotten lucky. Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie, only correct answers. Sadia, pay attention. Zahan, pay attention. You're losing out on questions where the answers are close and where I've told you that the answers are close. Okay, you need to pay more attention, guys. Next question. Aina sa'atuhu. Aina sa'atuhu. Easy question. Less time, you need to be quick. Blue, hiya tahtal maktabu. Red, huwa alal maktabu. Green, huwa tahtal.
Aina sa'atuhu.
Let me put you on mute, Zahan. You're disturbing the others. Orange, hiya alal maktabi. Aina sa'atuhu. Blue, hiya tahtal maktabu. Blue, hiya tahtal maktabu. Red, huwa alal maktabu. Red, huwa alal maktabu. Green, huwa tahtal maktabi. Huwa tahtal maktabi. Orange, hiya alal maktabi. Orange, hiya alal maktabi. You have time, 40 seconds to go. Aina sa'atuhu. Blue, hiya tahtal maktabu. Red, huwa alal maktabu. Green, huwa tahtal maktabi. Orange, hiya alal maktabi. 15 seconds to go. You have less time. You need to be quick. Choose the best answer. Five seconds to go. Quick, guys. 3 seconds to go. You need to mark an answer now. Correct answer. Hiya alal maktabi. Huwa tahtal maktabi. Two people marked green. There are two mistakes. One, sa'a is feminine. Sa'atu. Aina sa'atu. Ta marbuta at the end. Because of the who, the ta marbuta becomes an open ta. Okay. So huwa is one mistake. The other mistake with green is it is not under the table. The watch is on the table. The bag is under the table. Okay, correct answer. Hiya alal maktabi, orange. 4 people correct. Let's see the scores. Rahil auntie, Nahid auntie, Sadia, very good. Anil auntie up. Adnan, previous answer correct by fluke. This answer wrong. So Adnan is again not in top 5. Zahan again wrong answer. Double points. Another tough question. Ma ismu akhihi. Masmu akhihi. You have less time. You need to be quick. Ma ismu akhihi. Blue. Ismihi su'adu. Ismihi su'adu blue. Red. Ismuha su'adu. Ismuha su'adu red. Green. Ismuhu usamatu. Ismuhu usamatu green. Ismi usamatu orange. Ismi usamatu orange. Ma ismu akhihi. You need to be a little quick and the answer also goes, this is double points. So you need to be on your toes, guys. Pay focus. Pay attention. Blue, ismihi su'adu. Red, ismuha Suadu. Green, ismuhu Usamatu. Orange, ismi Usamatu. 30 seconds to go. Ismuhu Suadu, his name is, Ismuhu Usamatu, his name is Usama. That's the name of his brother. 5 people correct, very good. Adnan, again correct. Adnan has learned pronouns. Did you revise pronouns yesterday, Adnan? The tricky pronoun questions are the only ones you're getting correct.
No, I'm seeing the paragraph and doing this.
But ismuhu, you'll not see ismuhu. Is there
It is
ismuhu?
written. It's there. It's there. It's there. It's written.
Oh, it is ismuhu?
Yes. It's written down there.
Oh, where is it? Oh, ismuhu Suadu. Okay.
Yes.
The akhun wahidun, I have one brother, ismuhu Suadun. Okay. Ismuhu because it is brother. Okay, so it's masculine. Ismuha because it's talking about his sister. That's the difference. Very good, Adnan. Very good. You are smart. So you don't revise your lessons, but you can see the correct answers from the paragraph. Very good. Let's move on. Aina qalamuhu. Aina qalamuhu. Very easy question. Aina qalamuhu. Blue qalami tahtal maktabi. Qalami tahtal maktabi is blue. Right? Huwa alal maktabu. Huwa alal maktabu is red. Green. Qalamuhu tahtal maktabu. Qalamuhu tahtal maktabu, green. Orange. Qalamuhu alal maktabi. Qalamuhu alal maktabi is orange. Easy question. Blue. Question is aina qalamuhu. Blue qalami tahtal maktabi. Red. Huwa alal maktabu. Green. Qalamuhu tahtal maktabu. Orange. Qalamuhu alal maktabi. One answer left. Easy question. Try to mark the correct answer. Aina qalamuhu is the question. Okay, we are running out of time, so I'm going to give you 20 seconds and then I'm going to skip. Very good. Qalamuhu alal maktabi. His pen is on the table. Orange, correct answer. Only Nahid aunty, Rahida aunty, Sadia correct. Zahan, Adnan wrong. Zahan hasn't done revision yesterday. Zahan is getting all of the answers wrong. Quiz. Kam ukhtan ladayhi or kam ukhtan lahu. Kam ukhtan ladayhi is the question. Blue. Akhan wahidan. Blue. Akhan wahidan. Red. Ukhtan wahidatun. Ukhtun wahidatun is red. Ukhtun wahidatun, red. Green. Akhun wahidun. Akhun wahidun, green. Orange. Ukhtun wahidun. Ukhtun wahidun, orange. What's the correct answer? Kam ukhtan ladayhi.
What is the difference between yellow and red?
Red is ukhtun wahidatun. Orange is ukhtun wahidun. Red is wahidatun. Orange is wahidun. The wahidun is the difference. Let me repeat again. Last time. You need to be quick. 30 seconds left. Blue akhan wahidan. Red ukhtun wahidatun. Green akhun wahidun. Orange ukhtun wahidun. Ukhtun wahidatun is the correct answer. One sister. Akhan wahidan is actually wrong on two aspects. You should not have double fatha. That's one. And second, I'm asking about the sister. Akh is brother. I'm not asking about the brother, I'm asking about the sister. Nahid aunty, Rahil aunty, Sadia again correct. Zahan, Adnan, no revision. Okay, more than half of your answers are wrong, Zahan and Adnan. Question 12. Kaifa hiya an-nafidatu. Kaifa hiya an-nafidatu. Kaifa means how. Okay. Hiya an-nafidatu means how is the window. So describe the window. Kaifa hiya an-nafidatu. Blue. Huwa kabirun. Huwa kabirun, blue. Red. Hiya kabiratun. Hiya kabiratun, red. Green. Huwa saghirun. huwa sagirun, green. Orange, hiya sagiratun. Hiya sagiratun, orange. Kaifa hiya an-nafidatu, blue, huwa kabirun. Red, hiya kabiratun. Green, huwa saghirun. Orange, hiya saghiratun. 35 seconds left. Last time I will repeat the answers one more time. Blue, huwa kabirun. Red, hiya kabiratun. Green, huwa saghirun. Orange, hiya saghiratun. Time is running out, guys. 10 seconds to go. You need to see quickly and mark the correct answer. 5 seconds to go. Time is running out. You need to mark an answer quickly. Here, kabiratun. Red is the correct answer. Guys, someone's ringing my bell. I'll just be back. Give me 1 minute. Hi guys, I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, I had to open the door, which took a couple of minutes. So, kaifa hiya an-nafidatu hiya kabiratun. It is small. Okay, correct answer is red, and most of you have gotten it correct. Let me move on. First 5 positions, same. Zahan is out of form, plus is not paying attention. Adnan is in fact catching up. Let's see, Adnan, if you can beat Zahan in your first quiz. Always Zahan has been in front of you. Let's see if you can beat Zahan. Couple of more correct answers, inshallah, you'll be in front of Zahan. Let's move on. Last question. Double point. This is your chance, Adnan. Ma ismu ukhtuhu. Ma ismu ukhtuhu. Double points. Blue ismuhu usamatu. Red ismuha suadu. Green ismi usamatu. Orange ismihi suadu. Ma ismu ukhtuhu. Blue ismuhu usamatu. Red ismuha suadu. Green ismi usamatu. Orange ismihi suadu. Forty seconds to go. Ma ismu ukhtuhu. Blue ukhtuhu usamatu. Red ismuha suadu. Green ismi usamatu. Orange ismihi suadu. 20 seconds to go, guys. You need to be quick. Ten seconds to go. Time is running out. You need to mark an answer quickly. Answers are on the screen. You need to be quick. 3 seconds to go. Time is absolutely running out. Ismuha Suadu. Red is the correct answer. Let's see the positions. Third is Sadia. Second, I think, is Rahil auntie. Second, Nahid auntie. First, Rahil auntie. So Rahil auntie has come to the first position by a very small margin. It's a timing change. Zahan fourth, Anil auntie fifth. Unfortunately, Adnan, your last answer was wrong and you've lost in the position. So again, Zahan, Anil auntie are in front of you. Well done, guys. This was a passage, okay? This is a passage based on the book, based on the lesson that we are learning. What I will do as homework is, again, I will send you this Kahoot, okay? So Rahil auntie 11 out of 13, Nahid auntie 11 out of 13, Sadia 9 out of 13. So we are still getting quite a few answers wrong. What I want you to do, take this Kahoot again. Everyone in the class, and I'll tell the same to Hazik and Hifza also, who are not in the class today. Try this Kahoot again, go through the passage, look at all of the questions. The answers are close and it's a pretty nice quiz to take, which helps you practice, which helps you revise, which helps you perfect your understanding of masculine, feminine, pronouns, and also on, under, in front of. And these are lessons we've been seeing. This is all chapter 4. Okay, there's no old chapters. It's all chapter 4. We've done a lot of quizzes. We've done a Quran quiz. Okay. This is the quiz to perfect your understanding. This is a lot of simple words, simple concepts, simple questions. The answers are close together. So unless you know the answer perfectly, you won't get it correct. So homework, take the Kahoot quiz again. In your first attempt or maximum second attempt, try to get all 13 out of 13 answers correct, inshallah. Did everyone understand the homework? Afifa, Fuzail, homework क्या है? Yes, Afifa, Fuzail, homework में क्या करना है?
Homework.
हाँ, होमवर्क कैसे करना है? आफीफा, अब बात कर सकते हो, आपकी आवाज आ रही है। बताओ आफीफा, कोई बात नहीं। देखो, ऐसे एक काहूट लिंक मैं भेजूंगा, ठीक है? तो जैसे ये काहूट क्विज है, ये है पुराना क्विज। आई एम नॉट श्योर, आई थिंक ये बंद हो गया होगा अभी तक। तो अगर आप ये लिंक, काहूट वाला लिंक क्लिक करोगे, सारे क्वेश्चन दिखेंगे, ठीक है? ये चैलेंज खत्म हो गया, बट सारे क्वेश्चन आज के क्विज के प्लस आंसर ऑप्शंस फिर से आपको दिखेंगे, ठीक है? तो सारे क्वेश्चंस भी दिखेंगे, आंसर्स भी दिखेंगे काहूट पे, और आपको काहूट क्विज फिर से देना है और सारे आंसर्स इस बार करेक्ट आंसर करना है। समझ गया फीफा?
Yes.
तो क्या है क्विज? क्या है होमवर्क?
काहोट में जाना है।
काहूट में जाना है और
वहां से सारे क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे।
हाँ, तो मैं एक लिंक भेजूंगा काहूट का, ठीक है? आप उसको क्लिक करोगे तो ये सारे क्विज क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे, आप एक एक करके आंसर कर सकते हो, सेम क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है? तो जो आज के रिकॉर्डिंग में है सेम क्वेश्चंस, वो है क्विज मदीना रीडर 2, और ये पूरा क्विज काउट पे होगा, ठीक है? तो सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको दिखेंगे, सारे आंसर्स आपको दिखेंगे, और आपको करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना है, ठीक है? तो आप क्विज लेंगे लेकिन खुद से, क्लास की तरह मैं आंसर बोलूंगा नहीं, आपको पढ़ना है क्वेश्चन, आपको पढ़ना है आंसर्स। आपके पास टाइम, बहुत सारा टाइम होगा, ठीक है? तो आप आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, जितना भी टाइम चाहिए लेके दे सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको क्विज लेना है बिफोर फ्राइडे। Okay, that's the homework for the next class. Try this quiz again with all correct answers, inshallah. With that, we'll close the class. Anyone who has a question, I stay back 2 minutes after I close the recording. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Catch you all next Saturday, inshallah, at 12:30. And anyone who has questions can stay back now for 2 minutes.
Alaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.